Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install LokLok on your smart TV in 2025 using the most updated method. So step 1, connect your smart TV to the Wi-Fi and make sure that you have access to a browser or download their app. Step 2, open the browser and go to loklok.com, or you can search LokLok in your Play Store if it is available in your TV. And step 3, if your TV does not support either of the two, you can use a USB drive. So you can download the LokLok APK to the USB drive from your PC and insert it to your TV. And step 4, on your TV, enable the Install Unknown apps under the Settings and Security. Step 5, use a file manager to locate and install the APK file. And once you installed it, you can now launch LokLok from your apps menu. And now you can start enjoying free streaming with LokLok on your smart TV. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.